Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Just out doing a little hiking today. Basically just worked 13 days in a row. So I really didn't have the energy or the stamina to run out to the woods and do a whole bunch of videos. So I just came today, the park, get a little fresh air, a little exercise. Got something in my bag I want to try out. Probably gonna stop and have some a hot beverage somewhere, relax a little bit, then head home. I'm gonna stop at the store and get the ingredients for this Wednesday's cast iron cooking challenge, which is fish, and then go home and make dinner around dinner time, which is several hours from now. I'm not doing any lunch because I actually haven't been eating lunch lately. I've just been skipping it altogether and trying to say, cut back on calories. So I don't eat lunch. So I'm not going to be cooking anything on today's trail, unfortunately. But although it might be my undoing, because I actually am a little hungry right now. But I didn't bring a snack either. I thought about that while I was driving up. But it's like, alright, it's alright. It's going to be empty calories. But look at that view. Look at those fall colors. Although I'm right next to a highway, so I'm going to hike in farther and get away from the noise. Just came across this. This trail marker signifies the struggle with cancer. The rock piled, gathered from the trail, is intended to make the way easier. Each rock represents prayer for supporting those touched by the illness. Take liberty and add and take from the pile. Take from the rock pile. Marilyn Rasmussen was diagnosed with level 4 lymphoma in the fall 2007 and traveled to Tribulation Trail for 2 years. In specific, wow, I'm a terrible reader. At the specific prayer time, she experiences the healing touch of God in her body. Thankful for friends and family guidance by instructional physicians and nutritional diet, she is now healed, lives in health, and gives glory to God. Well, that's cool. We'll have to take a moment here. Yeah, that's kind of sad. Someone painted a little rock on here. You can see that. Cancer free. Painted home. Let's see. We'll add a rock. There we go. See all the foliage and colors. That stump I just stopped at. It's kind of an interesting trail because the trail is literally right here and goes around the stump. Then it kind of heads over, snakes all the way around back to this position. So there's only like a little bit of just a little bit of foliage between me. I think right here people have just been walking through, cutting through. So I haven't seen anybody yet either. I know this place is popular. And I know there's a bunch of people out at the trail because the whole trail parking lot was full. But I haven't seen a single person on this section of trail, which is pretty nice. I had the place to myself. Money. Hi there. Hello. So I'm just making my way up the trail here. Just came up a uphill, but I know on that clearing right over here, I know there are houses up there. I was hoping to find an off trail that would take me up to it. Or a clearing where I can brush the stove out, because I don't want to do it right on the trail because, well, as you saw, someone came running by and I don't want to block the trail with my stoves. But now we're going back this way, but it's been kind of snaking around, so I'm really hoping there's a clearing right over here I can see. And I don't really want to bushwhack all this, because bushwhacking in Washington is a pain in the ass. Is it doable? Yeah, but it's a pain in the ass. Hoping someone blazed the trail up to a clearing or to housing development so they can just hike in and hit the trail. At least that's my hope. So, to find out where the trail leads, you gotta walk it. So let's keep going. Alright, so we've reached the crossroads. There's this way, and then there's this way, which I just came up, and we got a sign that says bailout pointing to the left. I have no idea what bailout means because I've never been on this particular trail before, so I'm gonna go left to the bailout, go that way, because as you can see in the back, I don't know if you can see through the tree line, but it looks like there's clearings, so maybe I can find a nice place to make a cup of coffee, bust the stove out. Plus I can always come back if I have to, not a big deal. And then I know there's a big clearing up here where the power lines are, and then beyond that there's train tracks, so, and it goes basically parallel to the whole area. So even if I'm lost and I find those tracks, I know I can just get on the trail and then head the opposite direction. I'll hit back where the truck is. So I'm not really too worried. I can always backtrack on the trail, but so for now we're going to go this way and see if I can find a good spot to make a cup of coffee. Plus, I want to know what bailout means. Get to it.